In the world of mechanics, people often focus on the large components, the heavy blocks of metal that define the shape of an entire machine. But few realize that it is the smallest details, bolts, washers, and pins that seem insignificant, that ultimately determine the stability and safety of the whole system. In today's project, everything begins by repurposing forgotten parts, covered in dust in the corner of a workshop, and turning them into the foundation of a fully DIY car wheel lifting machine. Starting from those initial components, the process becomes more precise with careful measurements at every step. Each steel piece is cut according to calculated dimensions, positioned, and aligned to ensure perfect balance. Connections gradually take shape as the frame is assembled piece by piece, from the load-bearing base to the upper support bars. Every detail must be straight, solid, and synchronized, because even the smallest misalignment can affect the entire lifting mechanism later on. The frame slowly reveals itself, a simple structure, yet engineered to handle load and operate reliably. Once the frame is complete, it's time to install the most critical components, the parts that determine the lifting capability and overall safety of the system. The main load-bearing bars are reinforced to prevent deformation under heavy weight. The lifting mechanism begins to take form with pivot points, supports, and joints assembled with precision, creating smooth and stable motion. Every weld and connection is carefully inspected, because even a minor flaw could lead to failure during operation. This is the heart of the machine, where all forces are transferred and controlled with accuracy. After all components are fully assembled, the lifting machine finally takes shape, solid, complete, and ready for operation. Final checks are carried out to ensure everything runs smoothly and safely. Then comes the most important moment, the real test. The car wheel is slowly lifted, the mechanism operating steadily, delivering strong and precise lifting force exactly as intended. From small, overlooked parts at the beginning, everything has now come together into a complete and functional machine. If you find this project interesting and want to explore more creative DIY ideas, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss upcoming videos.